Okay guys, here we are with this Mazda 2012 Mazda 3 with the no door lock actuation complaint. Oh, now it wants to work. Sometimes it won't. It'll unlock and sometimes it won't lock. Now it's not working. So I'm going to show you a little trick I learned over the years working on a used car lot. Pop a little clip off. Okay. So you want to pop these out right here, like so. Don't be scared, sometimes I know, tricky. I'm gonna try to pry it on the circuit board and bring it out. Take this circuit out. Oh shit, came out. And this is where your problem is. Maybe you can catch that. It's a little white residue on there. I'm going to take a little rag and dab it with some alcohol. Doesn't matter what percent, you just want to try to clean that gunk off of it. Sometimes I might even just go over it with a screwdriver, like so. And wipe it again. Then wipe this part. Might even scratch it with sometimes too. A little bit. Then we want to put this back together. It's a little indicator where this lines up. Let's try to get it dry. Okay, let's put this here like this. Look for the pieces that fell. Okay. Put that here. And then we want to align this with that little notch. Push in. Alright, let's try this out. Alright guys, quick tip for today. Hope you guys learned something today, and hit like if you like these videos, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.